method of import finance, which works better? If you are running an import business, you will need import finance. But the question is, which method of import financing would be best suited for your business? When it comes to import finance, there are different types of trade financing options available. But the most popular method of payment used in international trade transaction is letter of credit. By using letter of credit as a payment term, the supplier will be assured that they will receive the payment on time once the goods are shipped to the destination port. On the other hand, the buyer will get the assurance that they will receive the goods as per the signed trade deal. Have you decided to use letter of credit as your payment term for your upcoming trade transaction? Submit your requirements to us. We can facilitate letter of credit on behalf of your company from rated European banks within 48 banking hours. For more info, email us support@importletterofcredit.com. Call us 97145519699. Call or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487761. Visit www.importletterofcredit.com.